Symbud Myntri Rangbah ba Prestone Tynsong hakah nyau tarik Nohprah iathuh hakilat pathai Khubor ba jingiakynduh jong sorkar ba nongialam Harijan iamynjur lang bnai Pynbeit Khatduh iki jaka shong jong bnai Kyllalyngkot hajar pusat.
Adjacent to the existing one, just adjacent to the existing one, you will see there is a space which is about 1.4 acres of land. Because they have requested us, please give at least few more weeks for further discussion, consultation among themselves. Then we said, yes, we are happy to do that. Please, because once you take a decision, means it is final. So we allow them again, and now they will go back and have their consultation, and once that is done, they'll come back on or before second week of January for finalization of this. Please don't dig out that issues. As I said, please allow them to discuss among themselves, and once that is done, again in the next meeting, I am very, very confident that we will be able to reach to the solution. Blueprint is what? The same area, but we have additional, like last time, we have already presented them the details in the same area, which covers about 2.14 acres in the existing building of the municipal board, and now we add again another 1.4 acres of land just opposite of the existing one. We presented them that, and when you total it, it comes to around 3.6567 acres of land. Okay, so that issue has been presented to them, and other issues like the units, how big is the area, and then how is the approach, then what's about the compound, how do the children play, all these issues are there, but as I said, I'll not be able to detail everything. Please wait till we have a final discussion or meeting in the month of January. The Harijan committee nang na po yo Mawlong Kyllalyngkot wan rengkap ru ban Prestone Rangbah jong ka Delhi Khubor yawan armut representative haban namar bakini ru ide ki balong bakaji kidon ke concern kumno ban poi sya ke jing sutu jumut abdeng jongi ke government baki kilai don kat ban elektren bun ki isu bat ka bang ba banom ni ngin nempat la ban pathai ki isu ki mengai discuss namar bang mentan nakaliam jokiru ki patpor sa kaptu kani tayo bakin tanya discuss biang rengkat baki para nongsong sedong jokiang te de ngiyoi ba ka jingekren kalong ka Bosco tenak ka basaisok bat ngilayarai langru dakaju kasulba hapo jong katayo kabaan une bnai Januari bnai benengkong hajar akusau ngin yakynduh biang sai sisembat ban ngakremen sken bahakata ka jingiakynduh ngin poi sendon syaka bakut jong ka meeting ngani ka jingiakynduh kata ade ka bangirai mentaka bid and ka location kani ka jaka kalong kumi katu ka existing ka badon menta kadon kumba ekar point 14 mo de kabamenta just opposite to that na iya katu ka existing sakaway pa kasurok saka sa persyak surok de kadon sakaway kabashi ekar sa 1.4 ekar tingiat ya kata kalong kumba around 3.5 acres. Agak bangpandak te. Namar bableng ong pi bisa sutu ba kidon life pa sao away families. Life pa sao are families, but ni haban le rutine ki high rise building te ngilap ba kampandak kadang rit kecekan kadang ni isu dia kerja kasa 1.4 acres. Namang ikwa kumong pingal ada pongteng. Bagi jikwa jong in government habangi ong relocation, habangi ong shifting kan long be complete na dokseno.
You see, this is our second meeting. There were few points which we raised in the previous meeting. Some of those points they have considered, and there are certain things which are yet to be finalized, to be decided from either side. So now the HPC people, they will discuss the issues what we have discussed today in the meeting with their people, and then we'll again discuss those issues in the next meeting that is scheduled to be held in the second week of January. The meeting was on a good note. Hopefully they'll discuss, and if they are agreed, then those points will be discussed in the next meeting, and hopefully some solution will be reached.